Assalamualaikum, dear students of class 9. Hope you look fine by the grace of Almighty. Dear students, इस पर chapter communication atmospheric exhaust pressure, thrust, pressure, how pressure can, how pressure affects, how pressure is reduced, how pressure is increased, why things are made as such to reduce pressure, or why things are made as such to increase the pressure. Dear students, we shall study another topic that is pressure in liquids, or we can say in fluids. Pressure in fluids, not liquids, pressure in fluids. Dear students, liquid, for example water. आपको जानते ही हैं सॉलिड लिक्विड गैस पे लिक्विड क्या होता है। यहाँ यूनिवर्सल लिक्विड जहाँ रेडी अवेलेबल जो हर वक्त हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं दैट इज लिक्विड, दैट इज वाटर। ये आग इस कुंजाई त्रावन चुनियल योर तला आप बाल्टीन उन तुई सिर्फ आप बाल्टीन पत्थर करो से प्रॉक्सिल साइड ये थोड़ा ऐसा कोई बेसिकल लिक्विड से केरोसिन एक्सेट्रा which trucks inside or your excitation होता कि intact molecule intact आता ऐसा कोई नहीं तो for example gases like air mixture of gases, air is mixture of gases जो तय पता ये चल एक ही जाए जिसका solid excitation ध्यान इसे excitation होता कि वो क्या कराइए Usually these times it moves from place to it is up to different level. It is jacket, it is a variable tool. So actually, only reason liquid is the gases. These are called fluids. That one of fluid, which move, it moves in all directions. It moves in ज्यादा मूव की तरह गैस लिक्विड टूल गठन कि this ज्यादा मूव की तरह गैस लिक्विड टू बी गैस में काइनेटिक एनर्जी वाले ज्यादा से फर्स्ट इनसाइड होला but these substances are fluids are those substances which move in different direction in separate गठन एक ही जगह से एक जगह पका in the sense कि उनसे एक ही अगर this is your solid this harmony ये त्रावन या टेबल पे या तो आप कुछ जगह ये खोलने की अगर आप ग्लास से खबर से बहुत एरिया नीड से खोल उन्होंने सोना है these are all fluid go the substance which can easily flow substance which can easily flow or called चाहे लिक्विड चाहे गैस हम इजीली इसे पकड़ के हम एक जगह बेगी जाए जो पकड़ देते हैं कि फ्लोमेशन these are called fluids when they found क्योंकि इसमें सॉलिड कोई वुचुता है सॉलिड उन एक्सर्ट करा प्रेशर ये एक्सर्ट ऑफ फोर्स करा से रात जो प्रेशर का के बराबर इसे पर उनके आप करा इस पर लिक्विड नेवाचन तुलून of baltin of much of which is filled with water ये of much is of nim say nim is locked of container inside this of वाला एक ये कोई क्या मीन the handle is filled you are to run with it then what is the of वाला जिस पर गए तुम जो केरियर में से आप था तो इस काल as soon as this container चाहे टीन है it is immersed in water as soon as it is immersed in water touch on to force लगा कि आप रखा तो बहुत पानी टीन हो जाता है you टीन या container on top एवं चल निम आप में जरा never touch लगा असर दार You are to be very sorry experience kara, and you all know you are doing at your home. You to ye yakman you rozan sure. To switch to bottom by weight less, weight less. Yani takun force pela yak. You ta lift karna khata tooth force thing. Chaka tha e. You chaka common experience. You two also like it comes on the top. You two after from this container of water is never in a rush. As you two come to bottom more, you know you have to apply more force to lift this to this water container to bottom jata. Okay? By of experience, guide you to snan karachu. You smart asan. Şu yüzden muhakkak asan bana çıkıyor. Muhakkak asan bana çıkıyor. Yutu ise akman bağırtınız mı immerse kert asan şu. Yoksa bağırtınız mı immerse kert asan şu. Taşı batan job konusunda yutu ise job şöyle yapancı. Taşı batan na takip pevan lazım. Taşı थोड़ा सा move करता है. ठीक होता है. उनका तो experience yutu gani बुझान şu. Este क्योंकि कुछ बताएं liquid या these gases क्या pressure exert कर वो तमिल मतलब वो X draw X gas when an object is immersed in a liquid. It seems to be lighter and very negligible force is needed to lift it out and in the case of a bucket in a well. Actually, what we are doing here, submerged object immersed in water and submerged in water. Yes, we guide to balti laga face man. Yani आप balti का it seems to be तक लगा it's very lighter. It's very lighter. It's बिल्कुल what we can say. It's बिल्कुल loose water. You throw in air में जमा छोड़े now you need a lot of force to lift it. What is that? Use temper for some go. Use a stall. A force of stall. Use वापस करा चल. या तो इसका upward force या up thrust इसका करा. ये तो ये इमोशन का वापस ना आपकी जांच thrust up thrust. यानी आप वापस करा तो वापस thrust. तिमसे क्या कि that compensates. Already use up or a force that good करा तो तक force. As soon as it is immersed in water, touch to the force to lagun ki even you have to just touch me ki karon. Kya all these term force are deducted deva. Top force, use force, up liquid, your fluid. It is body when a body is immersed in it, when a liquid gives an upward force to it, that we call as buoyant force. Or phenomenon is known as buoyancy. Buoyancy, it is a phenomenon shown by fluids, liquids and gases. As soon as when an object is immersed, they give an upward thrust to the object immersed in it, that we call as upward thrust. Every liquid exerts upward thrust on object emotionally. Practical liquid. Every liquid gives an upward force. क्या करें? ये कोई ताज बैक्स मन का चीज त्रावाचू आप यह मन तो क्या मन का चीज इमोरस ब्याह चीज से उचू पे ये कोई लकी टुकड़ा आप मन त्रावाचू युतु अक्सर प्रेस कराचू युतु आप तो never कुछ मत डोर कहते why क्या ताज से upward thrust liquid apply करा after your life after reason you know this liquid applies an upward force that gives an upward thrust because of that shall act on your tooth force apply karon you never ever upward thrust to effect makya you just force your back devan that effect makya this force to effect makya force makya now we have to apply force through our muscles across one force comes after just apply if I never this force is called buoyant force and this phenomenon is known as buoyancy. The upward force exerted by liquid also known the upward force exerted by a liquid is also called an upthrust. Upthrust. Any upthrust या buoyant force, these are the same things. It is the force exerted by liquid. Upward, you push karate when a substance, yes, a substance, upwards, inwards, push karate, submerged karate. Up is one of all the upthrust. Upthrust. It makes. What makes this? This upthrust or by upthrust or buoyant force make heavier things to appear light when in a insert cat advance this to liquid man get to liquid man का बुक चीज to थावा अब तीन जा it appears to be which is बता लुट तक न का जी से तक छोड़ थावा it appears to be very light and it is look bata. These were the introduction about buoyant force. Today, tomorrow, inshallah, we will see cause and another thing. Thank you.